Brassolaeliocattleya, Toshi's magic Doris. This beautiful orchid of complex parentage blooms a few times a year. The flowers range in color from a peachy golden yellow with lavender flaring to a darker yellow with magenta to plum flaring and a dark lip. Propagation is by division. This orchid grows similar to most Cattleyas, with a temperature range of 55 to 95 degrees, filtered light, and watered moist but well drained, in substrate that is suitable for a hanging basket or mounted, such as tree fern. Give it high humidity of 60 to 70%, and you'll enjoy this beautiful orchid as much as we have.